Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'll show you how to make this quick and easy headband. So let's get started. In order to make this headband, I'm going to do a slip knot. So I have my slip knot. Now I will do 16 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So here I have my chain 16. So I will do a double crochet in the fourth chain from the hook. So this is the first chain, second, third, fourth. Wrap my yarn around, insert it in the chain, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. So now I will chain 1 and I'm going to skip 1 chain. In the next chain I will do a double crochet. So this is where I have done my double crochet, so I will skip the next chain, the chain next to it. I will do a double crochet. Chain 1, skip the next one, the next chain, do a double crochet. So I'll follow this across. I'll do a chain 1, skip 1 chain, and in the next chain do a double crochet. So you should have a double crochet at the end of the row. So in order to start row 2, I will chain 3, turn my work around. Now I will be working in each of the chain spaces. So I will wrap my yarn around, insert my hook in the chain space and do a double crochet. I will chain 1, wrap my yarn around, double crochet, chain 1, So I will again chain 3, turn my work around and work in the chain space to a double crochet in each of the chain spaces and follow the pattern across. So I'll continue this pattern and I will see you at the end of my rows. So here I have finished the last row. So now I'll show you how to finish it off. I will chain 1. Let me find my other end. So this is the other end. I've done a chain 1. Now I will slip stitch in each of the chain spaces. Starting from this, I'll do a slip stitch. The next chain space, so basically I'll work slip stitches in each of the chain spaces. You can weave this end. So this is how my headband looks after completion. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. I will see you in my next tutorial. Thank you. If you enjoyed watching, hit like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for more videos.